In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure your file is saved as a cloud document in Adobe XD, rather than as a local file. This process is essential for smooth collaboration with team members and can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency. Let's dive right in. To start things off, you'll want to have the document you intend to collaborate on open in Adobe XD. Once you've got it loaded up, direct your attention to the top right corner of your XD window. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like a person with a plus symbol next to it. This is the Invite to Document icon, which is your gateway to sharing your designs with your collaborators. If you prefer navigating through the menu bar, you can click on File and then select Invite from the drop-down options. Both methods will take you to the same inviting interface. Now that you're in the Invite dialog, you'll need to enter the email addresses of your collaborators. Make sure these are accurate, as they'll serve as the Adobe IDs that grant access to your file. You'll also have some control over the level of access these collaborators have. You can set their permission to "can edit" if you want them to be more hands-on with the project, or choose other settings if you need more restricted control. Next, you'll want to consider enabling co-editing. In the latest versions of Adobe XD, this feature is typically enabled by default when you share a cloud document, allowing multiple people to work on it simultaneously. However, it's always good to double-check this setting to ensure seamless collaboration. Once your collaborators accept the invitation, you'll notice something quite helpful on your canvas. Their avatars will appear, accompanied by live cursors that indicate exactly where they're currently working within the document. This feature offers an intuitive way to monitor collaborative efforts, almost like you're all gathered around the same virtual desk. Co-editing in Adobe XD allows real-time syncing of edits, making working together much more dynamic and less reliant on cumbersome back-and-forth feedback loops. Another great aspect of collaborating in Adobe XD is the ability to track past versions through document history. This enables you to view previous stages of the project, making it easier for everyone to reference earlier designs or recover from any unwanted changes. And that's it. By ensuring your file is saved as a cloud document in Adobe XD, you've just opened up a whole new world of collaboration possibilities. Collaborating in real time, tracking changes, and being able to revert to previous versions are all part of what makes shared cloud documents so powerful and effective for your design projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.